Hello YouTube. Well, this is the solar system that I'm doing out here at the ranch. It's a 10K system. It's a 10,000 watt inverter, and I got 12 100 amp hour LiPo batteries. The inverter is a hybrid. It's got the built-in mppt charger, 80 amp charger, and it's also got the switching relay there for getting the grid power. So you run grid power to that, so it can put it out to your outputs if your batteries go on the flat side. It'll switch over to the grid power if you don't have enough solar or enough battery backup. So this system is going to have 10 panels on one side, 10 panels on the other, so it's going to be 20 panels all together. I've already got these ones up on the shipping container here. I'll show you when I go outside. I'll show you these ones are already mounted over here. I still got to mount 10 more of them across the yard right there. And this charge controller, will take 2 strings at maximum 500 volts. So about 12,000 volts is total for both strings, and at 22 amps or 25 amps. And so that should be fine. The panels are going to be running in series, and then the 2 sets of 10 will be in parallel to the inverter. Now this inverter, the batteries are 48 volts. I got it for it's a 48 volt system, so the batteries are 3 banks of 48. Got 4 batteries that makes 48 because they're hooked in series, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and then they're all done that way, and then they go positive, 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 negative, negative, negative. So it's in series and then parallel on the end to put 48 volts to the inverter. And we got these are the breakers for the PV for the solar panels. And this is AC out breaker and AC in breaker. This is 250 amp for the, as you see, it's going from the 48 volts DC input. These, I made all these cables up. These are pretty nice cables. This is all 1/0. This is all 1/0 wire, all 1/0. Fairly expensive stuff. This stuff costs for 25 feet of each. This is what it is right here. 25 feet of each. Black and red was like 200 bucks. So it's kind of spendy, but it's what it needs, because the draw this is can pull 200. This inverter can pull 200 amps. So it's got to be a big cable to use that power up. So there'll be a sub panel here, a sub panel there that will have 4 circuits on it. One will be a large circuit that's going to go back to the house to go to another sub panel to split out from the house to the AC unit and a couple other places. This one here will have one, there'll be a 30 amp outside RV plug on right here close around the outside of this container. There'll be just a regular outlet in here, and then a regular 15 amp circuit out to the greenhouse. And that will be everything for here. And then so she's hoping we're going to be breaking even on the power, because this system should produce about 40 kilowatt hours a day, and that's right about what she uses. So she's hoping to have a flat bill. Plus she's got a grid tie system on her roof already, a grid tie solar system that goes right straight out to Edison. So she should make up any money that she might be out on that, at least on that one. So I think she'll break even on this right here with this. No more Edison bill anyways. So that was what her goal was. Anyways, that's what it is right there. I'll give you guys an update when I get the wires run to it. I just got to I got to put the other PV panels up, the other solar panels. I've already got the racks built for them. I'll show you these right now. This is those racks, what happens is you got to put the PV, it's got to be at an angle to the sun. And if I was going to put them in pairs along the shipping container on top, I would have a problem with sunlight shading the next set of panels, because they'd be in the sun shadow from each other. So I made these racks so I could put 5 of them on it, and then tilt it up, lift it up, and then make another one for 5 more and tilt it up, so that way they're all getting the same angle at the same time. It'll keep from being getting any shade on the other panels, which is what the goal is. You don't want to have any shade on the panels. So anyways, I got another rack, 2 racks to put down there. I've already got them welded together and everything. I made them out of 3-inch channel, 3-inch U channel. So they're pretty heavy duty, but they'll last for a long time. It won't be no problem. We got major winds out here, major winds out here in the Mojave Desert, out here near Mojave, California. So we got winds here. Sometimes we get winds in excess of 80 miles an hour sometimes out here. So it's got to be built good. So I'll give you guys an update. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you want. I'd appreciate it. It would help the channel out quite a bit. Thanks, and have a good day.